And go.
Hey everyone, I'm Dan Hellman, and I'm here with Steve Kuhl here. We're talking about the Kickstarter campaign for the Kuhl Ride air-filled seat. And Steve, I want to talk to you today. A lot of people have questions about the design of this. And first of all, let's talk about the bladder. You know, that's the main component that keeps the air in it. That's one of the prototypes there. One thing that people might notice about all these is the shape of the bladder. It's got a, well, first of all, before that, what's the bladder made out of?
The bladder is made out of PVC.
All right.
It's done to a certain durometer for softness, and PVC is very tough, tougher than inner tube material, very abrasive, or withstands abrasion.
Sure.
So very, very tough material. Should last, a person,
This is really durable.
very, very durable.
The next thing I want to ask about is, I was about to mention first, was there's a hole in the middle of these. And I've seen bicycle seats with holes in them as well for comfort. Why do you have the hole on this one? What does that provide for the rider?
Well, the hole matches up with the hole in the base plate.
You can see there.
And along with the hole in the base plate, we also have a perforated cover. So when we ride and we get airflow, we have complete airflow through the seat, and it comes out through the whole seat, not just through the center channel.
Sure.
So it's designed to keep your seat a lot cooler,
So
which
really,
then gives you a more comfortable ride.
it really is an air-cooled seat then as well.
Correct.
That's what it does. Now, the other thing, I want to talk about the construction. What's the plate made out of, and the rest of the seat made out of?
Well, standard bicycle seats are pretty much all made out of plastic. I've designed this one to be very durable using aluminum and stainless.
Okay. So that gives it, but the weight, of course, the weight on all these is just under 14 ounces. So it's not a really, it's not a...
Well, it ranges from 10 ounces. This one, some of my prototypes have been as light as 10 ounces. The heaviest is 14. A typical racing model type seat is in the 10-ounce range, so these are very comparable to competitive type seats.
Okay.
With the weight. They're not big, heavy, cumbersome seats that you see on the market.
But they're built well enough that they're not going to fall apart on you. These are durable.
Yeah, this is high quality framed seat.
Yeah, I want to come to the last issue on the seat, and that's the pump. Both the fact that you can pump it up and release the air in it. Can you tell us a little bit about how that pump works?
The pump is pretty simple. We just put our finger over the end hole and we just pump. And we can fill the bladder by just simply pumping, but now when we want to let a little bit air out, we just push over to the side, a little air streams out, but yet in the riding mode it is a shut-off valve. It will not leak air. So once you do get the seat to a proper air pressure that you like, it should maintain that.
It holds it. And like I said, and you and your test subject, you've done over 6,000 miles of testing with this. It's worked out very well. And we'll have more information for you in the frequently asked questions section that we'll be posting soon. And we just want to thank you for this, and thanks, Steve, for showing us more about the seat.